Hello friends, today we are going to replace this lock actuator. This is a Hyundai Iload 2011 or 12 I guess, and this is the lock actuator we are going to replace for this car. So they are not working with remote. As you can see, if I press unlock and lock, not working at all. So we have just replaced the driver side in this car, and now we are going to replace the passenger side. So you can tell like it's quite common issue as I have seen before in many these iLoads. So to start with, I'll let you know what we need. We need one of this Phillips head screwdriver, then one of this 10 mm socket, and this hex key as well for these. So I'm not sure what exact size it is, but yeah, just try to find the right one for this. And yeah, just to remove those we need some pry tool as well. So first we'll start removing these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and one behind this 5. So about 5 screws we are going to remove, then we're gonna start taking out this door. So we have removed other two screws. To get access to these, use a needle to open their cover first, and same for this one. Let's see. And take this out as well. Now just remove the screws. So next step would be, after removing this screw, take this cover out. And now start trying to remove this door from bottom side. So you're gonna need a pry tool like this. Yeah, try to slide it in and start removing from the bottom part first, and then we'll go all the way up. So we have removed this door, and now we'll have to remove this connector, just pressing on top and take this out. So this is the door. Okay, we'll get access. We have to remove this cover. Really gently to go with this. Now we have gonna start first with these 3 screws. Remove these 3 screws, then this one and this one. So they're going to be this cover here. It's gonna be hard to see, but once you remove this screw, there is a bar which holds this window when it comes down. So you have to remove that bar as well. And after removing these screws, there is 2 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 screws we're gonna remove to take this whole actuator assembly out. So we have removed all the screws. Take this bar out now. So this is the This is the bar I was talking about. So you're gonna remove this, and it's gonna be sit like this. So that's the way it's gonna go back in. And now we'll remove this part here. So yeah, be careful, don't push it like this. There is two connectors, one is at top here holding it, so just press these two together to take that out. So this part is out here. Now simply just remove this one here, this connector, lift it right up. Sorry, that's how you're gonna lift it up. I'm really sorry making this video only with one hand. So yeah, just take this bar out from this connector here. Once everything removed from the other side, we're gonna remove these connectors here. So we have removed that old actuator. Yeah, just have to remove this connector as well. New one is already in. First push that in and align it with these screws here, and then we'll put this one back on this handle, door handle. So yeah, just same way as you have removed it before. So everything back in, the connector is on, actuator in, we have put this door handle back, and then it's connected here, the inside door handle. Now we're going to test it. Yeah, I can see it. So guys, everything is back on and I have tested. So please make sure your window is going up and down properly before you're going anywhere, and yeah, check everything after once you complete this tour. And if this video helps you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to bring more videos like this to help out others. Thank you.